Hi guys, let's go. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a OB now. Where I'm doing OB. This is the OB guys. Up there. Okay, nako-upload ako guys. Sorry, hindi ako naka-upload bukas kasi may gagawin kami ng parents ko at my teachers. May gagawin kasi kami. I'm doing the cage bukas pero kaya hindi na ako maki guys. Mag-vlog bukas. Gusto nyo to. Ayun lang guys. This is the room. That's my real but I have a second account. Mom and Dad say bukas na lang daw ako mag-upload or next week because I'm grounded. Yan lang guys. Wait lang guys. Wait. Mag-open tayo kung gusto niyo mag-shoutout. One friend of mine is online. My channel in your best friend ko guys. You want to follow it? It's Daniel The Bold Daniel. Yun yung pangalan niya guys. Sa TikTok. Kung gusto niyo siya para ako naman is me, Mary Joy. Oh! Shock! It's me, Mary Joy guys. Ayun lang. Tapos, gumagawa ng papa ko na is the baby camera. Ako naman hi. Gumagawa ko ng videos at 11 years old. Oh my god! What the fuck? I'm sorry guys. Sorry ako na. Gusto niya ako mag-gusto guys. Pwede naman guys. Basta. Natin kung gusto niya. Gusto na lang ako. Gusto na lang ako. Kung gusto niyo tignan yung little bird, kaya hanap. Ayan yung little bird. Ito pa, pero 600 ayun na, next time ko guys. Oh. What's yung pangalan mo? Hindi ko na lang kung gusto nyo gumawa ko na gusto and class alam nyo so fashion blogger 1613 it's sad as contest siya yung ano po ba hanap ko. Pero nag-offline siya so many years. Miss ko. Guys, kung nahuli kaya pwede ko skip yung stage. May ibang din tayo. Oh, freaking moment! Oh, freaking! Oh God, ang hit is not audio. Oh, ayun ko naman lang. Guys, kumalang na kayo. Oh, this is the hard one. Oh my God, oh God, damn it. That's so freaking hard. Oh, that's so hard. Pwede ko naman gawin ito. Or I can skip to 0 to 43. Oh my God! Damn it! Okay guys, dito lang yung video natin kasi hayaan ko na magkuhain guys muna. Kaya bye guys! Bye!